Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable special communications and offers on OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the account section found at the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then on notification settings. Then as you can see, special communications offer is turned off. You're going to turn it on. So from now on, you're going to receive updates, offers, surveys, and more. So that's how you turn it on. Then you guys could go back and click on the notification settings to see if there are any notifications now. So that's how you basically turn it on. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful shopping app. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.